This one, this one. Start. Okay, possession of team pass is Mr. Rebound by Mejia.
One. Only two guys. It's not pick-up game.
It's okay, continue.
Oh, that's your fault.
That's okay. Because Mr. Santos pass to Ernst Flores. To Aniel Lubit. To Ernst. Steal by number 53, Haswell. Lays it in, 2 points by Haswell. Score is 2-0. Now Mejia, guarded by number 14. Shot short. Rebound by Mendoza. Number 3, Mendoza. Pass to number 7. Mendoza. To Haswell. To Maharaj, to Mendoza, low post, to Brother Mendoza, to Maharaj for 3. No good rebound by Brandon Mejia.
Brandon rebound. Dino Mejia.
Hello. Dino Mejia to Aniel, right, stop. Very good for 2 by Mr. Aniel Lugit. Okay.
Papa-store mo. Ano nangyari?
First 42.
Ano ko? Nagtigpig natin.
Mamaya na tayo mag-ano.
Huwag ka na mag-running ba? Huwag ka na mamaya na.
Nag-start eh. Eric Santos. Rebound by number 13, Maharaj. Crossover, low. Lucille. To Mejia. Gino.
Layup! Oh, good
Nice pass to, turnover to, here comes Haswell. Nice pass to number 14, 2 points by number 14, Eugene Chupo for 2. Score is 6-2. In favor of team pass. Maharaj, guarded by, we compare Ernst Flores to Aniel Lubit. 3-point shot by Lubit. Long rebound by Mendoza. That's the third rebound, Mr. Johannes. Here comes another Mendoza to Chupo. Mendoza to Haswell. 3-point shot by Haswell. Another rebound by Mendoza. Pass it to Haswell. Now Haswell. Crossover steal by Ernst Flores. Pass fake to Gino. 2 points by Mejia. Gino Mejia, 2 points.
Big score.
Score is 6-4.
In favor of pass.
3-point shot by Maharaj. No good rebound by Ernst. Pass fake again to Gino. Fake. No good rebound by Haswell. Comes Mendoza. Shot no good. And now here comes Mr. Santos. To Brandon Mejia. To Aniel Lubit for 3. No good rebound by Mendoza. Johannes to Mendoza. Foul. Mejia, Gino. That's your first foul. And first team foul.
Yeah.
Mendoza to Chupo. Goes over. Pass to Johannes. Mendoza, nice pass to Maharaj for 2. Good pass. Right. Okay. South after later. Brandon to Ernst Flores. Ernst Flores is over to Eric Santos for 3. No good rebound by Maharaj.
Come on, man.
Maharaj to Mendoza. To Prado Mendoza. To Mendoza, to Aswell. Drive, lays it in, and 1. Who is foul number 19? Foul Brandon Mejia.
Red sub.
Substitution.
Santos out.
Dwayne Velo in and Lan in. Santos out. Bonus shot's no good.
Right, Lan.
Nice one, Lan.
Yep, yeah.
Head pass to Ernst Flores. 2 points by Ernst Flores.
10-6.
The score is 10-6 in favor of Team Pass. Mendoza. Oh, almost steal. Same ball. Top and top. Alright, triple out. 23 in. Okay. 23. Pabalan. Aswell. To Pabalan. To Johannes. To Maharaj. Traveling. Turnover. Okay, warning. Delaying the game. Team pass.
Just put one delay. If they have to, they're gonna take it.
Here comes Dwayne Velo. Pass to Ernst Flores. Steal by Haswell. Here comes Haswell. Pass to Pabalan for 3. No good rebound by Ernst Flores.
Nubit.
Nubit.
Nubit na ba yung Nubit, sir?
Yeah. Air ball.
Okay.
Will be rebound by Mendoza to Maharaj. To Pabalan. Inside. Right by Pabalan. Rebound by Maharaj. Good block. Good tap by Mr. Lan Leon. Pass Dwayne Velo.
That's you, baby. That's you, bro.
Gino.
Oh, yeah.
Mejia. No good by Gino. Now. Haswell. Blocking foul by number 15 Ernst Flores. Substitution. Okay. Marasha, number 0. The Shermanator in.
Shermanator.
Pabalan to Haswell for 3. No good rebound by Mendoza. Shot foul. Who's foul? Okay, foul Ernst Flores. That's his second foul.
Yeah, that's it. We throw.
Shot by Mendoza. So sub wraps up. Okay, Santos in. Flores out. Second free throw by Mr. Mendoza is good. 1 point.
11-6.
The score is 11-6 in favor of Team Pass.
Mejia. Gino. Nice pass to.
Block, rebound by Shermanator number 0. To Haswell. Haswell. Floater, no good, rebound by Lan.
Oh, nice pass.
Nice pass to Gino.
Flat.
Warren. Shot, not good. Alright, black ball. Number Mendoza, number 7. Steal.
What happened?
Okay, it's turnover.
So good.
Here comes Eric Santos. Pass to Aniel Nugit. To Dwayne Bello. For 3. 2 by Bello.
3, right?
Yeah.
11 to 9.
The score is 11 to 9. 2-point lead by Team Fast. As well. Pass to Pabalan. Shot, no good. Rebound by Bello. 3-point shot by Bello. No good. Rebound by Nugit. To Gino. No good. Rebound by Mendoza. 37 seconds remaining.
Maximum.
To Aswell. Pass to Mendoza.
They play nila eh.
Mendoza. No good. Rebound by another Mendoza. 2 points by Johannes Mendoza. 13-9 score.
Give me a second.
11 seconds to go. 8, 7, 3-point shot. No good. Rebound by Santos. Follow up. No good. Another one by Santos. It's a foul. Number 0 is foul. Sherman Room. No good. Let's see the second one.
Yeah, just that.
Second is good. The score is 13-10. Lane, no good. Rebound by Vaughn. Now Maharaj. Running shot. Rebound by Santos. Yes, Santos. Pass to Lan. Rion. To Mejia Gino. Guarded by number 14, Chupo. Foul. By number 14, Chupo. First team foul. Mejia. First free throw is good. Let's see the second one.
MVP.
It's good again. The score is 13-12. 1-point lead by Team Fast. Steal by Velo. Here comes Velo against Maharaj. Rebound by Haswell. Good defense by Maharaj. Because Maharaj, nice side serve move. No good. Rebound by last touch by Black. Gino. No good again. Number 23.
Oh my God.
Turnover.
What? Wow. Who's foul?
Who's foul left?
1-5.
1-5. Santos. Second foul Santos. Number 14. 3-point shot by Haswell. Long. Oh, last touch by.
What's my first foul?
No, that's your first foul. All right. Okay. The other 15. That's a lot of Mr.
That's 2 15, man. That's why. Sa'yo na lang yung foul, pare, pag na-foul siya. Hindi, biro lang.
Mendoza. To Vong for 3. Short. Rebound by Pabalan. No good.
Yun, nagalit, bibiro.
Rebound by Ibrahim Mejia, Brandon. 3 points by Ginon. No good. Rebound by Mendoza.
Okay, thank you.
Pass number 23. No good. Rebound by Lan Leong. Pass fake to Brandon. 2 points. The captain. Okay, the score is 14-13 in favor of Shockers.
Let's shoot. Short.
Sherminator, rebound by Maharaj to number 23. Pass to Aswell to 23. 3-point shot. Yeah! Chris Pabalan for 3. 16-14 now.
In
In favor of pass. 3-point shot by Bello. Another rebound by Bello.
Kick.
Side step boom. 2 points by Dwayne Bello.
Tayo, ball game.
The rifleman. It's a tie ball game. Comes number 14, Chupo. 3-point shot by Hasler. By Pabalan. 3 points by Pabalan. Back to back.
Parang mag-zoom lang,
Santos goes over. Shot. 2 points by Eric Santos Jr. Mendoza. Shot no good. Rebound by
Grab the ball!
Maharaj for 3. Gordon. No good. Rebound by well, which ball? Same ball. Stop left up.
You want out?
Santos out. Ernst
Flores in.
Flores is number 9 now.
9 now.
So you got 2 fouls.
You got 2 fouls.
3-point shot by Maharaj. Long. White ball. Stop left.
Tell the ref.
No, it's okay. White ball. Gino, the pistolero. Hindi pa nagpapakawala sa pistolero. Nice pass to Flores. To Dwayne. 2 points by Dwayne Bello. The score is 20-19 in favor of the defending champion Chaka. Steal by Bello. Turnover. Black ball. Oh, white ball. Dwayne Bello for 3. Short. Rebound by Mendoza. Pass to number 14. Chupo. Steal by Lan to Gino. 2 points by Gino Mejia.
22-19.
The score is 22-19.
In favor of the defending champion.
Pabalan to Vong. Nice pass to Chupo. Rebound by Chupo. 2 points. Power rebound by Mr. Eugene Chupo. 2 points. 1 point lead by the defending champion Shockers. Nice pass to Ernst Flores from Dwayne, the rifleman. Mendoza to Chupo. To Pabalan for 3. Long. White ball. Substitution. Okay, Haswell in, Vong out, Chupo out, and Mendoza in.
Pro-protest ka.
Landium to Brandon. Turn Flores.
Ayun pa, post up.
Who's foul? Number 2, foul Johannes Mendoza. Number 3. Yeah, Johannes Mendoza.
First foul.
First foul, Johannes Mendoza. Ernst Flores. Pass to Nuki. To Brandon Mejia for 3. 3 points by the captain, Mejia. So turnover by Team Pass. The score is 27-21. Ernst Flores to Gino.
What's the foul?
Foul Mendoza. The other Mendoza. Marlon Mendoza. Lalium to Gino for 3. No good. White ball, same ball. 48 seconds remaining. Mejia outside black ball. 40 seconds to go. Pabalan for 3. No good. 27 seconds remaining. Okay, foul. Number 23, Pabalan.
Hurry up, Lance.
Yeah, it's 16 seconds. They know. Ernst Flores to Brandon for 3. Not good. 4 seconds, 3 seconds. 3-point shot by Hasbro. 3. Hasbro. Oh, steal. Bad pass by Hasbro. Steal by Yugi. Umikot.
Umikot ka, Gino. Naino ka.
3-point shot by Maharaj. Okay, white ball. Lanyo. 3-point shot by Gino. W, rebound by Maharaj. To Mendoza. To Maharaj. Shot, no good. Rebound by Mendoza. No good, rebound by Mendoza. To Chico, to Maharaj, to P. No good, rebound by Lanyo. Oh, passes. Pinasok palaban. Here comes Chico. No good, rebound by Eric Santos Jr. Steal by Chico. Stepping. White ball. Gino Mejia. Good defense by Hasbro. Oh, turnover by Mejia.
Good defense.
Good defense by Ryan. Mendoza to Hasbro. Three-point shot by Chupo. Another rebound by Ernst Flores. To Gino for 3. No good rebound by Eric Santos Jr. Pass it to Mejia, to Eric Santos. The block. I don't know. It comes Hasbro. Side step. Eric Santos for 3. Another rebound by Chupo. Pass to Mendoza. Mendoza. Bencher, 2 points by Marlon Mendoza. The score is 26-27. 3-point shot by Mejia. No good again. Rebound by Mendoza. Marlon Mendoza. No good rebound by Leon. Gino against Mendoza. Johannes. Nice ball. As well to Maharaj for 3. Oh. Sub. Brandon Mejia and Dwayne Velo in. Gino Mejia out. And it's not good. And Eric Santos Jr. out. 3-point shot by Dwayne. 3 points. By Dwayne, the rifleman to Velo. The score is 30-26 in favor of the defending champion, Shockers. 3-point shot by Pabalan. Another rebound by Strong. Oh! Rebound by Mejia to Dwayne Velo. Nice pass. 2 points by the last timeout. Okay, Mendoza. Pass to Maharaj. No good rebound by Lan Leong. Power rebound. Pass back to Dwayne Velo. Laying it up. No good rebound by Wong. Was over. Pass to Maharaj. Traveling. Turnover. Landing to Ernst Flores. Number 5. To Lan Leong. Aniel Dugit. Dwayne Velo for 3. Now 3 points by Dwayne Velo. 3.
35-26.
The score is 35-26. 9-point lead now by defending champion Shockers. Pabalan. It's sealed by Ernst Flores. Pass break to Aniel Dugit. 2 points and 1. Yeah, that's a good shot by Aniel, defending season MVP.
Foul on Black Zero. Bucket man. That's good. Shoot more.
Bonus shot, no good rebound by Ernst. Ernst shot, no good rebound by Maharaj. Maharaj 2 points. All the way. Close to close here. Aniel Dugit. Floro good. 2 points by season MVP. Last season MVP. Nugget. Here comes number 20. Maharaj, long rebound by Mendoza. Wong for 3, no good rebound by Brandon Mejia. Aniel to Dwayne, drive by Dwayne. Pass to Ernst Flores, to Lan Leong, to Dwayne Velo for 3. Another 3 points by Dwayne, the rifleman Velo. 3. It's 40-28 now. The Shockers team is pulling away. Comes Haswell. Oh, bad pass. Substitution. Sub, line out. Santos in, Wong out. Mendoza in. Brandon. Drive. Oh. No good, pass Mendoza. 2 points by Marlon Mendoza.
Hey, let's go!
Aniel Dugit turns over. Pass to outside. Ryan Haswell. Pass it to Chupo. To Mendoza. Shot. No good. Rebound by Aniel Dugit. To Dwayne Velo for 3. Another one. Velo is hot. Mendoza shot number 3 by Mejia. Pass to Velo. Okay, blocking foul by Mr. Haswell. Wayne Velo. Right. Pass number 23. Shot of the rebound by Haswell. 3-point shot by Haswell. 2. Ryan Haswell.
Sounds like a...
Earns Flores to Eric Santos Jr. 1 minute and 4 seconds remaining. To Brandon Mejia for 3. Another rebound by number 23. Chris Pabalan. To Haswell. Nice pass. 2 points by Marlon Mendoza. From Ryan Haswell. Okay, 44 seconds remaining. Eric Santos Jr. Santos. 25 seconds. To Mejia, to Ernst Flores, to Wayne Velo. Pull up number rebound by 3 seconds. To Pabalan. Okay, it's the end of... Oh, that's a funny shot there by Mejia.
It's ready, you guys. Angelo.
Haswell for 3. Number rebound by Maharaj. 2 points by Rahul Maharaj. Velo again for 2. For 2.
Lakot ba? Balta mo yung lakot.
Okay. Tap by Daniel. Same ball. Maharaj. Shot. Number rebound by Mejia. Traveling.
Very safe.
Traveling without paying, without passport.
Passport.
That's illegal. Pabalan for 3. No good rebound by Gino. Pass it to Aniel. No good.
You guys gotta get back on D.
Because, Aniel.
No?
Foul number 14. Eugene Chupo.
2 free throws.
2 free throws to be awarded to last year's season
Gulo mo
MVP.
nag-free throw yung tao eh.
First one is no good. Okay. Substitution. Mendoza out. Wong in.
Yeah.
Another shot is good. Another one. Haswell to Maharaj. To Vaughn.
Kuha mo yung matilin.
Drive to Pabalan for 3. Number 3 by Haswell. 2 points by Ryan Haswell. 39-50. Haswell versus Mejia. No good defense by Haswell. 2 points by Gino. Injured ata. Injured. 3 points by Haswell. No good. Oh, good save there. Shot by Pabalan. 2 points.
52-41.
32-41. Lanley yun. The number 1, Gino, the pistolero. For 3. No good. Zero out of 100 na yata si Gino. 3-point shot by Bong. No good rebound by Gino. 3-point shot. No good again. Pabalan to Haswell. Oh, that's a miscommunication pass. Side left up. Maraj na. Mendoza.
2 minutes? 2 minutes pagka 10 9 points ang labas. Hindi. Pag hindi. Ang laki.
Shot no good, rebound by Lanley to Eric Santos Jr. Shot by Eric, 2 points by Eric Santos Jr.
54-41.
Ryan Haswell, rebound by Lanley to Aniel Nugit. Nice pass to, rebound by Mendoza. To Pabalan. Shot no good, rebound by Dwayne Bello. Okay, Aniel Nugit all the way. 3. Pabalan for 3. More 3-point shot by Pabalan.
Laro kayo, laro kayo.
What's it called? Kick ball. Sub. Dwayne Bello out. Lanley out. Mejia and Ernst Flores in. Eric Santos Jr. Daniel Castro Nugit. Oh, crossover. What a move. Rebound by Pabalan. 3-point shot by Pabalan. No good. Air ball. Gino, Mejia.
EFTI, Nicole.
3-point shot again. Wala pa napasok sa Gino.
Come on, Gino. Okay, Gino. Here we go.
Aniel Castro. Pass to Ernst Flores. Oh, steal! Here comes Mendoza. Nice pass. To number 14, Chupo.
56-46,
10-point lead.
Come on, guys. Stop messing around.
Up, foul. Who's foul? 0. Foul 0 ball.
Last 0?
Yeah.
2 free throws.
We got 3 fouls and 0. Hey, hold the ball!
What?
Hold the ball.
First
Pumasok,
free throw
sabay
is
pumasok.
no good.
I told you, hold the ball!
Let's see the second one. It's good.
Let's go, one stop!
It's 57-46, 11-point lead by the defending champion Shockers. Haswell. Top steal by Mejia. Now here comes Mejia. Steal by Haswell. Good defense there. Nice pass to Chupo. 2 points, yeah.
Ikaw na.
Comes from Mejia. No good rebound by Mendoza. Mendoza. Pass to, oh, nice pass. Mendoza. Whoa, 2 points by Mendoza. It's 50 timeout by Shockers team.
What happened? Hey, boy.
Tapos rin sa shot there. Here comes shot. First this guy. Pass to okay. Same ball. Shot him, shot. No. Okay.
Oh, sorry. 3 points? 3, right?
And still rebound by okay, we come here. Okay. Here, shot. No good rebound by 23. Because America Sunugit, it's 1 point lead. Steal! Oh! 29 seconds.
39.
Yeah.
39. Good shot.
Okay, 36 seconds. 20-second shot clock.
What the hell happened, man?
Nice pass to Mendoza. 8-second shot clock. Foul.
Wala pa? 8.
Wala, may 8 na ba? How many fouls?
Wala pang ano? Penalty? No. Wala pa? Sabi niya.
Wala pa. Tatlo pa lang.
3 only. 6 only. 6. I think
6, okay, 6. 17 seconds, 16 seconds. Center is foul.
who's the foul on?
Who's foul? Who's foul left? 23?
23 blacks.
Okay. That guy. Number 23, Kabalan.
This is 1, 2.
No. 7 fouls, right? 7?
Time out.
16 fouls. 16 fouls. One more.
You need one more.
Hey, not a bail.
Stop quick. Pressure up. Try to get the steal. First.
Watch out.
Hey, you can go.
Watch over here.
Go for the steal. Right here.
7, 6, foul. 5 seconds remaining. It's a penalty.
1-on-1? Rep? Oh no.
Time out, make a miss. Black 7.
You got one timeout. Yeah, it's 1-on-1. Ask the rep.
Make a miss, we call timeout.
Yeah. 1-on-1.
Hey, close out.
You got one timeout. Go to Balad.
Hey, just grab that board.
Good. It's 58, 56.
No 3.
You gonna call timeout?
Yeah.
Make sure you
Tell the rep.
watch it outside. Watch the long miss.
Board.
Another one's good. Timeout.
59.
Maharaj. Team fast. Hold the ball.
Can go this way, huh?
Ready, ka? Hold the ball.
3-point shot from Maharaj.
No, you got.
Oh!